$100 to $1 million. Is it really possible? Turning $100 into $1 million might sound like a fantasy. But what if I told you it's achievable? It's not about winning the lottery or striking gold. It's about harnessing the power of smart investing and letting time work its magic. In this essay, we'll explore how to use tools like Acorns and Betterment to turn your small starting amount into a life-changing sum. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz. You don't need a huge inheritance. All you need is patience, discipline, and the right strategy. Are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's dive in. The power of pennies micro-investing with Acorns. Ever feel like you don't have enough money to start investing? Acorns changes the game. This app makes investing accessible to everyone, even if you can only spare a few dollars at a time. Here's how it works. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar. Then it invests that spare change into a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. It's like saving money without even realizing it. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.50. Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests the extra 50 cents. These small amounts add up over time, especially with the power of compounding. Betterment, your AI-powered investing partner. Now let's talk about Betterment. This platform takes the guesswork out of investing by using sophisticated algorithms to build and manage your portfolio. Think of it as your personal financial advisor, available 24/7. Betterment starts by asking you about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Then it recommends a personalized investment portfolio designed to help you reach your objectives. The best part? Betterment automatically rebalances your portfolio and reinvests your dividends. It's a hands-off approach to investing that anyone can use. Building your $1 million blueprint, a step-by-step guide. So how do you turn $100 into $1 million using Acorns and Betterment? It might sound like a daunting task, but with the right strategy and a bit of patience, it's entirely possible. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Here's a simple blueprint. 1. Start small, dream big. Open accounts with both Acorns and Betterment. These platforms are designed to make investing accessible and straightforward, even for beginners. By starting with just a small amount, you can begin to build a habit of investing without feeling overwhelmed. Deposit your initial $100 into Acorns to get started with micro-investing. Micro-investing allows you to invest small amounts of money frequently, which can add up over time. This initial deposit is your first step towards building a substantial portfolio. 2. Automate your success. Connect your bank account or credit card to Acorns for automatic roundups. This means that every time you make a purchase, Acorns will round up the amount to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. It's a simple way to invest without even thinking about it. Set up recurring deposits into your Betterment account, even if it's just $10 or $20 per week. Consistent contributions, no matter how small, can significantly impact your investment growth over time. Betterment's automated investing tools can help you stay on track with your financial goals. 3. Stay consistent. The key to building wealth is consistency. Regularly contributing to your investment accounts ensures that you're continually growing your portfolio. It's not about making large, infrequent deposits, but rather about making small, regular contributions that add up over time. Make it a habit to contribute to your investment accounts regularly, no matter how small the amount. This habit will help you stay disciplined and committed to your financial goals. Over time, these small contributions can grow into a significant sum. 4. Let time work its magic. Investing is a long-term game. The power of compounding interest means that your investments can grow exponentially over time. The longer you stay invested, the more your money can grow. Don't expect to get rich quick. Be patient, stay disciplined, and let the power of compounding work its magic. Remember, the journey to $1 million is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your long-term goals, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The magic of compounding. Watch your money grow exponentially. Compounding is a powerful financial concept that can transform your small investments into substantial wealth over time. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a towering tree. Compounding is like a snowball effect for your money. Just as a snowball starts small and grows larger as it rolls down a hill, your investments can grow significantly as they accumulate returns. When you reinvest your earnings, they generate their own earnings. This means that not only are you earning returns on your initial investment, but also on the returns that your investment has already generated. This creates a cycle of growth that can lead to substantial wealth over time. Over time, this creates a powerful cycle of growth. The longer you leave your money invested, the more pronounced the effects of compounding become. It's like watching a tree grow from a tiny seedling into a mighty oak. Let's say you invest $100 and earn a 7% return. In the first year, you would earn $7, bringing your total to $107. The next year, you're earning 7% on $107, not just $100. This means that your returns are also earning returns, creating a compounding effect that accelerates your wealth growth. This might seem small at first, but the impact grows exponentially over time. As the years go by, the amount of money you earn from your investments increases significantly thanks to the power of compounding. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it picks up snow, it gets bigger and bigger. The same principle applies to your investments. It starts small, but as it picks up snow, it gets bigger and bigger. Over time, your small, consistent investments can grow into a substantial amount of money. Compounding works the same way, turning your small, consistent investments into a massive snowball of wealth. By starting early and staying consistent, you can harness the power of compounding to achieve your financial goals and watch your money grow exponentially. Consistency is key. Don't let hiccups derail your dreams. Life throws curveballs. You might face unexpected expenses, job changes, or market fluctuations. The key is to stay consistent with your investments, even when things get tough. Don't get discouraged if you miss a contribution or two. What matters most is building a habit of regular investing. Even small, consistent contributions can lead to significant wealth over time. Think of it like training for a marathon. You wouldn't expect to run 26.2 miles without consistent training. Similarly, building wealth requires consistent effort and dedication. Patience pays weathering the storms in the market. The stock market can be volatile. There will be ups and downs along the way. The key is to stay calm and ride out the storms. Remember, you're investing for the long term. Don't panic sell when the market dips. In fact, downturns can be a good time to buy more stocks at a discount. Think of market dips as sales at your favorite store. Would you be scared to shop during a sale? No. You'd see it as an opportunity to buy more of what you love at a lower price. Avoid the traps. Common pitfalls to steer clear of. Investing can be a rewarding journey, but it's filled with potential pitfalls that can derail your progress if you're not careful. Here are a few common investing pitfalls to avoid. By being aware of these traps, you can navigate the investment landscape more effectively and increase your chances of success. Timing the market. Trying to predict when the market will go up or down is a recipe for disaster. The market is influenced by countless factors, many of which are unpredictable. Even professional investors struggle to time the market consistently. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on a long-term investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Chasing returns. Don't jump on the latest investment fads. These trends can be tempting, but they often lead to poor investment decisions. Stick to your long-term plan and avoid chasing short-term gains. A well-thought-out investment plan will help you stay on track and achieve your financial objectives. Ignoring fees. High fees can eat into your returns. Over time, these fees can significantly reduce the growth of your investments. Pay attention to the fees charged by Acorns and Betterment and choose low-cost investment options. Lower fees mean more of your money stays invested and working for you. Giving up too soon. Building wealth takes time. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results, but patience is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent long-term investing is the best way to build wealth. Stay patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can set yourself up for a successful investment journey. Keep learning, stay informed, and make decisions that align with your long-term goals. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Turning $100 into $1 million might seem like a distant dream, but with the right tools and the right mindset, it's an achievable goal. Start small, stay consistent, and let the power of compounding work its magic. Acorns and Betterment make investing accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Take the first step today and start building your path to financial freedom. Ready to dive deeper? Explore more resources. Want to learn more about investing, personal finance, and building wealth? Check out these resources, your website or blog. Get more insights, tips, and strategies for achieving financial success. Book recommendation. Dive deeper into the world of investing with this comprehensive guide. Podcast episode. Listen to experts discuss the power of compounding and long-term investing. Join the movement. Unlock your financial potential. Don't wait to start building your financial future. Join the thousands of people who are taking control of their finances and achieving their dreams. Click the links below to sign up for Acorns and Betterment and start your journey to financial freedom today. Affiliate link to Acorns. Start investing your spare change today. Affiliate link to Betterment. Get personalized investment advice and build your wealth with confidence. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take that step today and unlock your full financial potential.